Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Step Campus. In this video, we are going to see how we can handle a dynamic web element. Okay, so for this one, we have this website. I will give this website to you as well in the description box so that you can also practice from your end. Okay, so let me open Chrome. Okay, and let me hit this URL. So this is a expandtesting.com URL. Okay, where we can see this dynamic table. Okay, how dynamic table we are seeing it, we will see. Okay, and then we will see like how we can handle the dynamic web element. Okay, so why it is dynamic? Okay, first understand this thing. This is a table. Okay, this is a basic task manager type replica. Okay, where we have this different browser. Okay, and this is a system, and for this particular system we are showing network, CPU, disk, and memory. Okay, why I called it dynamic, or why this website called it dynamic? Because we don't know the value of this particular browser or system. It means for this instance, the system memory is 5.1 MB. Okay, and also this memory is at 4th position. Fine, but when I refresh this one, so now you can see the memory is come at position second from last. Okay, and also the memory changes to 10.2 MB. Okay, so memory is here and system memory is 10.2. Again, if I run it again, so now you can see now memory come to the third position. Okay, third position, and system memory is now 26.2 MB. So the order of this name is also getting changed, the order of this one also getting changed, and this value is also getting changed. So all the components present in this table is getting changed. So this is a dynamic. Okay, we can't predict it before, like we can't predict at a very first time like the disk is here. Okay, so always the disk will be here, we can't predict. Might be it come to this position, or it can move to some different places, either first, second, third. Okay, we are not sure. So this is a dynamic. So let's see how we are going to handle this one. So for this table, like there might be numerous of scenarios, so we will cover one scenario. Okay, our scenario is, what we will do, we will come to this table using our Selenium code. We will find out the system and its corresponding memory. Okay, and we will store in one variable. Okay, means system memory will be stored in one variable. Same thing for Chrome, we will store into we will go to Chrome, we will store this memory into some another variable, and then we will difference it. Okay, we will difference system minus Chrome or Chrome minus system based on our requirement. Okay, so this is the simple scenario we are taking here. Okay, so let's see how we are capable to do this using a Selenium. Okay, so for this one, let's go to our IDE. Okay, inside this Step Campus, I will create one class. Okay, I will give it name as dynamic table. Dynamic table. Okay, dynamic table testing. Okay, dynamic table testing, and we will include the public static void main. Okay, let me finish it. Okay, so now you can see the we have this class and we have this main function. Okay, scenario already understand. Okay, if not, then you can go previous to this video and then understand the scenario again, and then come back and watch from here. Okay, now, so first scenario, we have to grab the system name, and then this corresponding memory, and then Chrome, and then this corresponding memory, right? So before this one, first we have to hit the URL. So for the hitting the URL, I am not writing again code. What I will do, I will just copy this one. Okay, I will copy let me copy from this whole line of code. You already know, right? I no need to explain this part, that's why I'm just copying it, and whatever related to the dynamic testing, definitely I will going to cover in this video. Okay, so this is a very simple command, implicit wait we are using, we are giving this maximizing window, and then we are passing our URL. The URL also this time will be different. Okay, let me copy this one. Okay, and then let me paste here. Okay, let's save it and run it one time so that we can check whether this URL is hitting or not. So now you can see here, yeah, this URL is opened, and we can see our playground. It means like tables, dynamic table also. Okay, fine. Let me close this one. Okay, now, so what we will do, we will take first two variable. As I told you, we have to store this name and this system into some variable. Okay, so I am giving string system memory. Okay, one is system memory, and this will be empty as of now because we are going to store this memory based on the Selenium code. Okay, and this will be Chrome memory. Okay, I hope this is fine. Now, so getting the name first, we have to transfer to this one, right? We have to get this web element. So this will be a list of web element. Okay, so Control Shift I. First we have to find out this name. Okay, so for this one, like I will click here, I will go here, and if you see here, we have this table strip. So this is a class. Okay, this class will help us to grab this particular table. Okay, so right click, sorry, copy here this one, Control F slash table. I am writing XPath. If you are not aware how I am writing this XPath, then I will suggest you go and watch my previous lecture so that you will be able to get grab like how the XPath is written, like how we are writing our XPath. Okay, so inside this table, okay, this is a table. If I click enter, so you can see this whole table is selected. Now inside this table we have to go to this particular name, right? And this you can see here, this is the particular name here. Okay, if I expand this one, so you can see here, so directly we will jump to this body part. Now you can see we are in the table, and then inside this table we will go to the body hyphen t, sorry, slash t body. Okay, we are at this position, and inside this t body we have something, this name inside this td. Okay, so to come to this td we have to come to this tr, and then we have to go to this td. So slash tr and then slash td. Something wrong, oh, by mistake I clicked dot also. Okay, fine. Okay, this is fine, but it consists of 20 element and we have only 4 element. Okay, so what we will to do, we have to give the index 1. Okay, now you can see that we have this 4 element. Okay, if I click second one, then it will come to the Internet Explorer, then again, then system, then again, then Chrome. Okay, so we have to find out only this first index. If I give this index 2, then it will come to the CPU part. Okay, CPU, then CPU. Okay, I hope this is easy. Already you all know, I know, but yeah, who is beginner, who don't know, then he can able to grab this information from this video. Okay, fine. I hope this is fine. So this will gives us the web element. Now fine. So what we will do, we will store it in list of web element. Okay, list of web element. So list of web element, I will give the name is name list equals to, and then here we have to store, that is driver dot find elements. We will use find elements because we have to store a list of web element. Okay, by dot XPath, and inside this XPath we will pass our value, our XPath value locator. Okay, now import this list, import this web element. Okay, just go to the end. Okay, let me minimize this one. Okay, so that you will get the full screen. Okay, I hope this is fine. Okay, now we have this list. Okay, this list name we have. Now what we will do, we have 4 element, four name, but we require only system, right? So we will iterate, I will iterate for web element in this name list. Inside this name list we will go to the particular web element and we will give the web element name as well. So name cell, for example I'm giving name cell. Okay, we are, then we have to give one condition, like if among this name list wherever we are getting this system, then go to this particular memory and print this value. Okay, this is our scenario. Wherever we are getting system, go to this system and also grab this memory. Okay, but this memory is also not fixed. Okay, but first let's get the system and then we will see like how to grab this memory. Okay, system if name cell dot get text dot equal ignore case. Okay, we are using equal ignore case. Okay, and first we will find out our system, so I am giving system. Okay, Why I'm giving this equal ignore case now? Because if you give this system and in this main website it will be capital S, then it won't give any error. If you won't give this one, so it will give us error like element not present. Okay, that's why I'm giving. Now sorry, not colon, because it's a if condition. So name cell dot get text dot equal ignore case is system. Then what we have to do, then we have to go to this memory. Okay, and we have to go to this memory and then we have to select this value. Okay, but there is a catch. What catch? This memory is also not fixed. We have seen, right? This memory is also not fixed. If it is fixed, then we will go with the index part, like one index, two index, three index, and fourth index. At the fourth index we will get our memory. But this index is also not fixed, because when we refresh another time, might be this memory is not present here and it will come some first position, second position, we are not sure. Okay, so we can't go with this one. But there is also a catch we can do. In the value in memory, we can see every memory end with mb. Okay, it means there is a catch. We can write our logic in that way so that we can get this mb value and then we will get our value present. So the next time if memory coming in the CPU, like the first position also in place of CPU, then we will grab this text and then we'll match. If this text contains this MB, yes. If this contains the MB, then we have to get this one only. If not, then we will move to the next. Then we will move to the next. Like this way we have to move. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. What we are doing here, we are just matching this MB is present there or not. If MB is present into the text, it means this is a memory field. Okay, simple term, very lame word. Okay, fine. Now let's see how we will going to do this one. So now we are here. We have grabbed the system. Okay, we have grabbed the system. We are here. But how to go to this memory? So let's see. Suppose this is a system. Let me come to here only directly. So we are here. Okay, we are here. We have to go to this memory. You can see here, right? Sorry, this one. This is MB per second. This is MB. This is MB. This is at third position. And I'm still, I told you, right? This position is also not fixed. So we can't go with the index. So what we have to do? We have to match that. If this string contains this MB, then we will fetch this value. Okay. So let's see how we will do. First, we have to come from here to here. If you see the hierarchy, so this is a TD, this is also a TD, this is also a TD, and this is also a TD. It means wherever the system is present, it is the same. The value is also present inside the same tag, that is TD. So it is a sibling kind of relationship. Okay, this is a sibling. So what we will do? We will write slash. Okay, slash following sibling colon and sibling name is TD. Okay, now you can see colon sibling. Okay, so now we are at sibling. Okay, but the thing is that this is also not sufficient, because now if I click enter, so it will go to the next one, then again it will go to the next one, then again it will go to next one. So where we have to click? We can't give index, right? Because the memory is not fixed, the memory column is not fixed. So the approach we have to do, like we have to match. If this is string, okay, the string or substring, we can say, if this substring contains this MB, it means this is a memory field, right? So let's see how we are going to write the code for this particular thing. So following sibling slash TD. Okay, this one till here we are fine. Okay, now we will get the text. Okay, we will get the text. Okay, we will get the text. So text. Okay, colon. So we are giving text, and then we are passing a string length. Okay, so this is a built-in function. Okay, so no need to worry. I will tell you the approach. Let me go to the approach first, otherwise you will get confused. So for example, I'm just taking this value. Okay, so the same thing we will do. What I'm saying, like for example, see, we have written this one. Okay, or let me come to the notepad so that you can able to see very clear. So this is our value. Okay, so what I am going to do now, I will get this text. Okay, I will get this text and then we will use the Java inbuilt function stand length. Okay, we will find out this length, and inside this length we will check MB is present or not. So if you see here, so this MB is this text has how many characters? Like 1, 2, dot is also counted 3, 4, space will be also counted 5, 6, 7. In total 7 length. Okay. So what we will do, we will write loop in such way so it will get this length. Okay, so it is total 7 length. So what we will write, we will write string length minus 1. It means length number 6. So from 6 to 7th we will transfer or iterate. From 6 to 7th we will transfer. So we will write string length minus 1. So we will come to this 6th position, and from this 6th position to the last one means string length we will transfers, and then we will check like it contains MB or not. Okay, this thing we have to write. Okay, this one we have to write. So what I'm going to say, first we will grab the text. It consists 7 length. 7 minus 1 we will do, it means 6. So 6th and 7th place will be a alphabet. 6th and 7th place will be a alphabet. So we will match this 6th and 7th place will contains the MB or not. If it contains MB, that fine. If not, then that is not a memory field. Okay, so I hope this is fine. So again, let's back to our website. Okay, so TD following sibling TD string length, sorry, I'm saying, yeah, string length. Okay, string length, and then again we are saying the text. Okay, my bad, it should be small. Text minus 1 if this one, okay, equals to MB. Okay, string minus length. Okay, this is fine. String hyphen length, and inside this text, okay, minus 1 equals to MB. Okay, we forgot one thing. After this hyphen TD na, we have to give we have to write like this way. After this one we have to write substring. No worries, I will give you the formula to calculate it ends with substring or not. Substring. Okay, now you can see. Okay, substring of this one. So now you can see it only focus on this particular memory field, and this is dynamic, means if I refresh this page also, so it will point out the same thing. Let me give you this one. Okay, till TD you are fine. I will just give you this method so that you will create this one. Okay, so what I'm saying, inside this substring in, like in this is a string. Inside this string we are matching like this string will end with this MB or not. Only this thing we are matching with this command. Okay, and this thing already I have told you why this method, because we are just finding out the length, and till 7 minus 1, that is 6. From 6 to 7th we are matching, and then we are saying like it should match with MB or not. Okay, if it is matching with MB, then fine. If not, then we will move to the next row. Okay, so I hope this is fine for you. So yep, this is fine. Let me copy this one. Okay, and go to the main IDE. Okay, so here I will paste it again. But if you see, I am not going to write this one whole, because till here we already written here, right? Till here we already written. Okay, TD1 already written. This is the same thing. Only this part we have to append inside this name list or name cell. So what we will going to do, we are going to say name cell dot, okay, name cell dot find element. Okay, so come to this position and then again find element. Come to this position, that is system. Okay, again find the element. Okay, and that text where it should end with MB, and grab this text. This is the thing which we are going to do here. Okay, so name cell dot find element. Okay, and inside this element also, like, we are going to give our XPath only by dot XPath. Okay, and inside this one what we will do, we will give dot. Okay, because we are just appending this one, dot okay, dot, and then we are going to pass all this value till capital bracket, sorry, square bracket. Okay, and then I will close this one. Okay, this is fine. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so we have grabbed this one also. Okay, so wherever we will find this system, then again we will find the element, and then we will check where this substring will end with MB, and then we will grab the text. Okay, so we have to grab the text, and where we are going to grab this text, so we in this system memory. So system memory, okay, system memory equals to name cell, or we can do one thing. This one also we will store in some element. Okay, web element memory field. We will store this one also in one memory, sorry, variable. Okay, and then we will write memory field dot get text. Okay, so we will find this one. Okay, and then we will print this one as well. So sys out, and we will print this system memory. Okay, so now we have this system memory here, sorry, this system memory here. Okay, now again we have to do, okay, for the second one, that is Chrome memory, right? Yes. So what I will do, I don't want to write again because we already know in this one we have this name, right? So minor change we have to do. What we have to do again, we will iterate the loop. Okay, let me copy this one again. Okay, this will, yeah, this is the end of this one. Yeah, now we will copy the same thing. Okay, and we will do some minor changes. Same thing, instead of system we will write Chrome because we have to find the Chrome. This will be the same, and instead of the system memory we will use this variable, that is Chrome memory. Okay, Chrome memory. Okay, and then we will print Chrome memory. Okay, let's save it and run it. Let's see if this is working fine or not. If is there any error, first we will solve this one, and then again we will move to the difference part. Okay, uh, let's go to here, and I think it is not printing. Not sure why it is not really. Check. First we will debug it. Okay. So here if you see, okay, I think it is taking some time, that's why it is not printed at that moment, but yeah, fine, it is working fine, you can see here, right? So first one is system memory. I will give this one as well so that we can grab it quickly. So system, okay, okay, this is system, and this is Chrome. Let me copy this one. Okay, and this is Chrome. Okay, now save it, run it again. Okay, let's see. I think it is taking some time to load the page, that's why it is taking time, but yeah, it is working as expected, what we are what we have written. Okay, okay, so system is this one, let's verify it. System is 25.3 MB, that is fine, and Chrome memory is 68.5. Chrome memory is 68.5, so it is perfectly taking in the system and memory. Okay, uh, why it is taking time, but yeah, we will do, like we will give some wait. um, yeah, might be the table is not loading properly, that's why it is taking some time to load, but yeah, that's fine. Now what we have to do, now we will come to the end part, that is we have to get the difference between the memory. Okay, now we have to get the difference between the memory. It means system memory minus PROM memory. We will do system minus chrome. Okay, system minus chrome we will do. Most of the time system memory will be large, chrome memory will be less, so we will get positive result. Okay, let's see now. So whatever the value we are getting over there, so it is a string. Okay, so first we have to convert into a numeric double. Okay, we have to convert into a numeric double. Okay, so get write like this way, double. Okay, and I will give system memory, oh my bad, system memory text. Okay, I'm giving system memory text, and we will use double dot double parse. So this is a predefined function. Okay, pass double, sorry, not double parse, it will be pass double. Okay, and yeah, first one we're dealing with the system memory. So whatever the system memory we will have, we will take the system memory. Okay, and here we have to do some minor changes. It will be like, see, the whatever it has like loaded now, I will show you the console as well. So it is like this, it contains this MB also, right? But if we want to subtract this one, then it should be numeric only, not this MB, right? So we have to replace first MB. So system memory, okay, system memory dot, we will use replace. Okay, we will use this replace, and what we have to replace, we have to replace MB. Okay, inside this quotes definitely we have to give, we have to replace MB with what, with nothing, so it will be a null. Okay, and whatever the space, if we have any, so we will trim it, we will use this trim. Okay, so we don't have any trailing space here. Same thing, I think we missed one bracket, is it? Yeah. Okay, same thing I will copy. Okay, I will do with the chrome memory as well. Chrome memory, uh, chrome memory text. Okay, then double pass double. Okay, we are just converting this thing into a double. Okay, and then we are replacing the MB with nothing, means space, and then we are just trimming this space as well. Okay, I hope this is fine. Now the last one, calculate the difference. So simple, if you have to difference it, so just give one variable double, I will give the name as difference only. Difference equals to system memory first minus chrome memory minus chrome memory. Okay, and whatever the value we are getting from there, so we will print out this value. Okay, we will print out this value. Okay, like difference is, okay, difference is um, okay, plus difference is what, difference is this value, difference, and we have removed this MB, right? So now at the last we will add this difference as well. Okay, at the last we will give some space, and then we will add MB. Okay, now save it and run it. Now it's completely fine, it seems completely fine. Let's see, and we'll check it is working fine or not. So the website is loaded, we will go there. Now you can see system is this one, chrome is this one, and difference is 0.0 MB. Okay, 0.0 MB. Why it is taking 0? uh, System memory minus chrome memory only we have done it. Okay, let's first check the value. 71.4. Okay, 71.4 system, that is fine. Second one is Chrome, that is 87.5. 87.5. Acha. Okay. Might be like we are removing, like we are deleting this one with this one. Let me do one thing. Run it again. The difference is 0.0 MB. Why it is coming 0.0 MB? That is a catch. System memory total plus MB. Okay, let do one thing. Let print out this system memory and we will figure out what it is printing. Okay, memory text, we will do the same thing for this one as well, and then this value also we will print out. Okay, and this time just give one sys out for space. Okay, nothing. Yeah, save it, run it. Okay, it means like it is taking same thing twice. Okay, for both time it is getting the same value. Okay, that is the issue. My bad. If you see here carefully, so for both function I have using the system memory only, so it should not be system here, it should be a Chrome memory. Okay, so like this way you can debug. Okay, because I have given system memory also second time also the system memory only I have used, that's why it is giving the same value, and same value minus same value always will be 0, right? That's why it is coming. Now it will work fine. Okay, so like this way you can debug also, like in your exam also, if you are getting this thing, or if in a project also you are getting this such kind of error, so you can print this value so that you can debug it. Okay, now you can see here the no difference is getting fine, because this time the system memory is less and the Chrome memory is greater. We will see this one also. Chrome is 65.5 and system is 0.8. Okay, that's why we are getting the negative. So I hope this is fine, guys. Okay, so just go through this video, okay, and practice from your end as well, and then just let me know if you are finding any issue. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.